Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi. My name is Giselle Perez, and let's just get into the video. So I am very excited for this one. So today what we're gonna do is I'm going to be baking mini Valentine's Day cakes and surprising my friends with them, just so I can show them that I appreciate them. Even though it's no longer Valentine's Day, I still wanted to do this video. Yeah, so I found these cute baking cups at Target, and I was like, it came with a lot of them, it comes with 12, and I was like, I should make, you know, mini little cakes and surprise my friends with them. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And I was like, I'm gonna film the video and film the reaction of them. Yeah, so let's get started. All right, I'm gonna try to do this quick because I feel like this video is gonna be kind of a long one. Also, yes, I'm using a box for the cake. Okay, I'm not gonna bake the whole entire thing by scratch. Anyways, I'm gonna be using strawberry, and I have a chocolate one, so I'm gonna do both. So I'll give some chocolate and some strawberry. So here I have my bowl. We're gonna add the strawberry cake mix. It's so cute because it's cute. So I already preheated the oven downstairs, so I'm gonna hurry up. I have an...
Tell me, how is your life as a youngster?
Ruthless. My style is a juvenile, ran with a gang, slanged in the meanwhile.
Egg. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and crack the 3 eggs. See? Wait, should I do that first? Whatever, I'm just gonna throw in the eggs. I have a lot of stuff on the table, and it's just crazy. Oh. Last one. Now we have to add some milk. It says water on the box for the cake mix, but I use milk. Do you guys use milk or water? Like, I want to know. If you care to comment if you use milk or water for your cake mix. Anyways, here's my milk. I'm using almond milk, and I'm adding a cup. It says cup of water, so I add a cup of milk. Wrong measuring. I got the wrong measuring. Anyways, half a cup of oil. That's a lot of oil. Wow, okay. I forgot to bring a spoon to mix this. Alright, I have my stirring utensil. And now we're just gonna stir the ingredients together. Probably should have got a whisk. Here it is. Yay. Alrighty guys, here is the chocolate one. Wow. Nice. Alright. Okay. Anyways, here are the baking cups. Aren't they so cute? Look at that. Look at the little design. There you go. Wow. See? They're just little tiny. They're just tiny. And I'm gonna write like a cute little message. I can't write much because it's little, but you know those cakes that people that are popular right now that you've been seeing, like, they're so cute. I have some pictures right here, just a cute little message, and that's what I'm gonna do. Wow, it's a really tiny little baking cup, but it's a thought that counts, and I think it's super cute to give out to people, like your friends and family, and yeah. Alrighty, so I have 12 of these baking cups, so I'll make 6 strawberry and 6 chocolate. Alright, so here you go. The first one. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is have some baking spray with me. And go ahead and spray the little cup. I'm scared everything's gonna get dirty. I'm going. Alright, so I went ahead and sprayed the cup. It pretty much went everywhere. Wow. I'm honestly really excited to like pass these out to my friends. I'm gonna make some for this. I'm doing this for my friends, and I'm gonna make one obviously for my boyfriend. And yeah, so pretty excited to see the reaction, because like I feel like this is so random, like they're not gonna see it coming. My boyfriend already knows actually, though I'm doing the video. He already knows in the video, but my friends, like they're not gonna even see it coming, especially because like Valentine's Day is over. So when they see me pull up to their house, anyways, when I go pull up to their house, I thought they're gonna be like surprised to see a little mini cake with a cute little message on it. It might be like "you're beautiful" or "you're a bad bitch" if it fits, or something, like that. And I'm gonna have a straw. They're so cute, a little straw with it. And I'm gonna write a little note, and I have some string that I'm gonna wrap around the straw next to the little cake. And yeah, the message will say something like small, and the cake will already have a little message for them. So yes, yeah, I'm honestly pretty excited to see their reaction. Yeah, so this is your sign to make a little mini cake for your friends, your family, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your neighbor, your co-workers. So I just got done with little cakes. I was able to make 5 chocolate and 5 strawberry. Yeah, sadly I didn't have enough to do the last 2, but that's okay because now I have 10. But yeah, so let's just go ahead and bake them, and let's see how they come out. Cross your fingers that they come out good looking. I am back and the cakes are done. Let me show you. Ta-da! And then the chocolate ones. Ta-da! So I baked 10, but I moved 2 away because I'm keeping those. And these are for my friends. So let's go ahead and get started on the decorations. I'm so excited. I kind of already wrote down on what I'm gonna write for each person. I have vanilla, purple, and some pink icing to make it look cute or whatever. And I have, yeah, that's all I have. I already showed you this. So that's just what I forgot. We need this to make it look nice and cute on this, like, on the edges of the cake, whatever. Ta-da! You cannot say that this doesn't look perfect. This is so cute. This is so cute. It's really just icing, but whatever. It's just like so perfect, and it, love it. Oh, I cut the tops of the cakes, as you can see, so it could be nice and flat. Show you guys the chocolate one. See, I cut the tops. Alright, there you go. Let's see if it's satisfying. I don't think it did that right. Oh gosh. How we doing it? Just, yeah. They come all ugly. I'm just canceling the whole video. So, do you guys like Valentine's Day? Because honestly, me personally, like even if I was single, I've always loved Valentine's Day just because it's so pink, red, hearts everywhere. Like I just love the vibe. So like even when I didn't have a boyfriend on Valentine's Day, sometimes my sister or my mom, you know, my parents would like get me something. So, you know, you don't need a boyfriend or a man to be happy on Valentine's Day. Like this Valentine's Day I got a Starbucks gift card for my parents, you know, something little, you know, goes a long way. So if you have, you know, friends or little sister that doesn't have a man, doesn't mean you can't give them something. So just because like you're single doesn't mean you can't go celebrate. Like a lot of girls that are single and stuff, they go out together to go celebrate. Even girls that have boyfriends, like they still want to, like, you know, maybe not do something on Valentine's Day, but they still do something around, you know, celebrating Valentine's Day with their girlfriends. Because like it's not just about, you know, being in a relationship. All right, so I think I'm just gonna leave it like this because I don't want to add too much icing on it. So this is it. This is how it looks like. This is she, this is her. Ta-da! So this is my first one. Look at her. Look at it. Look at it. I think it's so cute. Yes, that is smaller than the B word. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's cute. It's cute. And not trying to toot my own horn or whatever, but I think I'm a pretty good friend because I'm making my friends little cakes, and this is kind of stressful because spelling out this word, like the words and stuff, just had my heart racing. Okay, I was just nervous that something was gonna mess up. But it's fine, it's cute. It's fine. I think it's cute. I'm gonna add some of these cute little pink sprinkles. Matching my shirt low-key. So I wore this pink shirt because you know it's like Valentine festive, whatever. And I have a cute little heart on my cheek because, you know, hashtag Valentine's Day. And I just, you know, wanted to be kind of festive for the video. So I'm gonna grab some of the sprinkles and I'm gonna place it on like the squiggles, not the words, just the squiggle on the side. Hopefully you don't want to add too much. Hi guys, I'm back, and it's currently 1:04 and it has been a minute. I just want to say I'm sorry I didn't go back to show you guys of me making the cakes, but I just needed to hurry up and get them done, so I did. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. Alright, here they are. Alright, so over here we have that bitch. Next one is bestie. Friends forever. You're beautiful. You're a baddie. Bad bitch. And gorgeous girl. So all the pink ones are strawberry and the purple ones are chocolate. And I know they're not perfect. The writing is not perfect. I am not a baker. And I felt kind of sad because I feel like they were like written kind of ugly. But I was like, you know what, it's okay. It's the thought that counts, right? Like, I don't know, if someone would have gave me one, even if the writing wasn't perfect, I would, you know, appreciate it, whatever. So I was like, you know, I'm still gonna give them out. But yeah, this is how they look like, and you know, I really love them. They're tiny, they're cute. Alrighty guys, so I am now on my way to drop off the first two cakes, and I even made the little straws already with the little note, and I have their names on it with the little bow, like the ribbon, see? So cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop off two right now, and I'll be recording their reaction. Like, you're gonna hear them, but I'm not gonna be recording their faces. Yeah, but all right, let's go. All right, guys, so I'm about to be there at my first destination. I'm gonna show you guys the cake real quick. Hopefully car doesn't come up behind me. Anyways, here's the first one that I'm giving up. It says bestie on it. I'm gonna put the camera, sorry, I'm gonna put the camera over here. I know it's a weird angle, but I'm gonna leave it like that, okay? Okay. I just brought you something. Close your eyes. Oh, you already saw it.
Yeah, I already saw it.
You already saw it.
Is it a cake?
I brought you a little cake. Even though it's not Valentine's Day anymore, I was like, you know what? It's cute, huh?
You baking? Not me about to
I
eat it.
know. Okay. I'm a baker now. I'm just kidding.
Okay. It's okay.
She's like, it's gonna be a snake or something.
Aw, friend.
Oh, do you like it?
I do. I'm about to eat it now with milk.
You swear with milk? You're dumb.
With milk. Love it here.
Aw. Do you like the little straw?
I know. Yes. I'm about to read it right now. I'm about to cry.
Hi.
Oh my god, did you give me a cake?
Yeah.
That is so cute. Oh,
Yeah, I'm filming like
you.
my friends' reactions to me giving them cakes. I have the camera
Oh
on.
my god, I love
God.
so much.
It's okay, I'm not showing. Let me just show the cake before I give it to you. So yeah, I gave Brenda's first, and you're like my second person that I came
Thank you.
to.
Thank you so much.
Even though it's not
I appreciate
Valentine's
it.
Day anymore, I'm like,
Yeah.
they're gonna be even more surprised because it's not Valentine's Day.
Oh,
you know?
that's so cute. I appreciate it.
I'm gonna go ahead and drop off the third cake now. This one says Friends Forever. And yeah, so let's go do that. And this person, I have been friends with her since we were little kids, like little jits. That's why I said Friends Forever, because we've been friends since I want to say like second grade. And yeah, and we lived in the same neighborhood and everything. But yeah, let's go ahead and drop off this cake. Hi. You look good. I brought you a little cake for Valentine's Day. And this too has a little note inside.
This is cute.
I'm recording my friend's reactions. You're not in the video, but
Oh,
just
good,
to, yeah.
because I look rough. This is cute.
Oh, I put Friends Forever on it.
I know. And what's crazy was like,
This is the fourth cake that I'm giving away. It says Bad Bitch. And my friend's actually coming to pick it up. I just told her I need to give her something, so she's coming. But yeah, so this is the fourth one, and let's see her reaction. Open your eyes now.
What's up, bro?
Oh, baby! Look, happy late Valentine's Day.
oh, thank
I
you.
know, because you're a bad bitch. And then this little cute little straw is like a little note.
So cute. You don't have to.
I mean, I know.
I'm gonna give you a hug.
These two cakes right here, I'm not actually gonna be able to give it to my two friends because they end up leaving out of state, and I thought they were, I don't know why, I just kind of thought they were gonna leave, I don't know, tomorrow, but they left today and I'm sad, so I won't be able to give it to them, but I'm still gonna record it and record it and show them on Snapchat so they can know that I did make them one and I do appreciate them, and the little thing right there. So that's what I'm gonna do. Peep the socks. Hi, bitch. I already knew you knew because
Because I seen,
yeah,
I seen Angie post it. I seen what's her name, Brenda. I think I have Gabby.
They don't say all of them because and then Jaylene. So we had Jaylene.
And
So
then Carla. I was like,
she already knows. So I posted it myself. I'm like, she already knows. So I posted the pictures. I was like, I don't care. I'm gonna still give it to you. It says that bitch.
Because you already
That
know.
bitch. And
Bruh,
then
thank you.
this is a
Honestly,
cute-
this is what I do.
Happy late Valentine's Day. So I did this for her. And I'm like, they're gonna be surprised because it's not Valentine's Day anymore. So
I mean, yeah. Honestly, I wasn't
So,
expecting anything.
yeah.
And I got